Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 3rd. The reflection for today is readiness. Have you ever yelled at the universe, "Why won't this work?" Or "Why can't I have this now?" Or "What is the matter here?" These questions usually surface when the divine clock and the personal clock aren't meshing. I have learned that the divine clock has bigger plans for me. What I need to be yelling at the universe is, "Show me when I'm ready to fill in the blank." I call it the prayer of readiness. This doesn't mean I sit back and wait for the magic to appear. What it does mean is I keep on keeping on. I continue with baby steps toward my goals. I surround myself with positive experiences and people and make time for solitude on a daily basis. I pray, "Show me when I'm ready." Silence is the voice of the soul. Answers come to you when you take the time to go within. I share my prayer of readiness with you, as simple as it is, so that you may use it as often as you feel you need. It works. You will get the answers you ask for. Go within and keep on keeping on. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe your eyes are open or closed, and let yourself take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now repeat after me, silently or out loud, this prayer of readiness. Show me when I'm ready to, you fill the blank. Show me when I'm ready. Show me when I'm ready. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be show me when I'm ready. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.